Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for Instagram, quick tips step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click on the search bar. Type Instagram post and hit enter. Choose a template that fits your style and needs. Once the template loads, you can start customizing it. Click on any text box to edit the text. Type in your desired message or caption. To change the font, click on the text and select the font drop-down. Explore different font options and choose one that suits your theme. Next, adjust the text size by dragging the corners or using the size tool. You can change the text color by clicking on the color box in the toolbar. To add images, click on the Photos tab in the left menu. Search for images related to your topic. Drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas. You can resize or crop the image to fit your design. To add icons or elements, click on the Elements tab. Search for specific icons or shapes you want to include. Drag them onto your design and adjust their size as needed. For background changes, click on the Background tab. Select a color or image that complements your design. When you're satisfied with the design, click the Download button. Choose your preferred file format, usually PNG for Instagram. Finally, click Download again to save the file to your device. Now, you're ready to upload your stunning design to Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.